Dear students, today we will discuss about some integrals which involve inverse trigonometric functions. So first we will write some formulas and then we will solve related questions. Formula number 1. Integration of 1 by square root a square minus x square with respect to x is equal to sine inverse x by a, and because it is a indefinite integral, so we will put plus c, that is the constant of integration. Formula number 2, integration of 1 by a square plus x square with respect to x is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus constant of integration. Formula number 3, integration of 1 by x multiplied by square root of x square minus a square with respect to x. This is equal to 1 by a secant inverse x by a modulus plus c. We have discussed earlier also that all the integration formulas hold if we replace x by a general linear factor bx plus c. In this case, we will directly replace x by bx plus c in the formula, and we will divide the whole formula by b. This remains valid for all the integration formulas. Suppose we have integration dx over square root of a square minus bx plus c square. So what I have done in formula number 1, I have replaced x by a general linear factor bx plus c. As we discussed that the formula will remain valid, therefore this will be equal to sine inverse, in place of x we will have bx plus c divided by a, and the whole formula we will divide by b. Plus the constant of integration. Now let us solve a question. Integral dx over 4x square plus 4x plus 2 by completing the square. Let us see the solution. So first we will complete the square. In this question, the denominator is 4x square plus 4x plus 2. This we can write it as 2x whole square plus 2 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 4x square we have written as 2x whole square. 4x we have written as 2 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1. And 2 we have written as 1 plus 1. Now if we see the first three terms, we can write it as 2x plus 1 whole square plus 1, or we can write it as 1 square plus 2x plus 1 whole square. Therefore, our integral changes to dx over 1 square plus 2x plus 1 whole square. And this form is similar to the form given in formula number 2. Formula number 2 is integral dx over a square plus x square, and this gives us 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus constant of integration. And we have discussed that if in the formula we replace x by any general linear factor, suppose bx plus c whole square, then also the formula remains valid, and this will be equal to 1 by a tan inverse x. In place of x we will have bx plus c divided by a with an extra division by b, so divided by b plus constant of integration. Now in the given question, we can directly apply this formula. Therefore, we will get 1 by AB. A is 1 and B is 2. So 1 multiplied by 2. Tan inverse the linear factor, that is 2x plus 1 divided by a, that is again 1, and this will be equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2x plus 1 plus constant of integration. And this is our final answer.